Derek with Eliminex. We're here in Red Bank, New Jersey, and I took off that cover. We already did a pre-inspection. This room was the only room that had bed bugs. Very fortunate. Brand new bed set. So I didn't really see what was going on before this bed was installed. I didn't see the old bed. But you can see remnants of this fecal matter. That will smudge if I took a Q-tip. Take a Q-tip, wet it in water, and then rub that. It'll smear. You can see also, I can already tell that these are also blood specks. Digested blood. I don't need to smear those. I already did my test already. And then you can see some cast skins or a dead bed bug because they'd sprayed their own stuff on the outside before I took this cover off. You can see some more specks. These are fecal specks versus just the wood, natural part of the wood. That's a lot different. So you can see that black speck right there. Usually bed bugs will be in that groove. You see some black specks on that nail in there, that countersunk nail. Bed bugs have been visiting, and there's also a live bed bug right here. He's alive. If we touch it, it'll move. I think it's moving. Should grab it. If I'm going to spray it, it's going to die. So, he's in there. But fortunately, I didn't detect any bed bugs anywhere else in my pre-inspection. Other than the spot of this box spring, so that's good news. I checked the whole room out best I could. We checked the box. Try to make sure that thing doesn't go hide somewhere. There you see, he thinks he's hiding. We're going to go ahead and get this treated. They already have the whole place prepped. See how it's all prepped. They took everything out. The dressers, posters off the walls. And I'm going to treat the curtains. And I'm going to treat around the door frames, corners, edges. Make sure there's no bed bugs hiding. Because they did do their own at-home treatment. I think they did bug bomb or something. So they could scatter. So I'm going to treat the whole closet area. Because if I miss any area with my treatment here. That's a terrible box spring, how that's designed. Look at that, it's so terrible. Look how crappy that is. It's all crooked. Whoever makes this furniture, they don't give a crap. What a ripoff. It's not even like structurally, has no structural integrity. Look, they had to make these little corner supports. It's so cheap. So cheap. I think that's the only benefit of getting a new bed is that it doesn't have skin cells on it and bed bugs in it already, But they really make these crappy. Real crappy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a treatment in there. Treat the drawers. I have some videos showing me doing a thorough job on bed bug treatment and theory and how we go about it, but I don't divulge proprietary information, so people really don't care for my videos too much because they're looking to figure out how to do a self solution. But my video is really helpful to help you identify and inspect, know where the hot spots are, and learn theory and learn about their bed bug behavior. I think that's pretty good free content to give out. Someone with 25 years in the business, and no one really asks me any questions through the videos, but I have a lot of answers. And it's from a lot of experience. 12 years experience bed bug treatment, like in the field. 12 years straight. Not giving up, going for the challenges. Now it's just kind of just one of our many services that we offer. Okay, Derek, Eliminex, have a good day. I'm going to make another quick video. Instead of wasting time editing the videos, I like to make like multiple small videos. They kind of feature critical things, give them different titles. Have a good day.